think everybody loves the outdoors, and to have a campus as beautiful as we do and on a lake that many people didn't even know existed, it just was an intrigue probably in the beginning, and then a reality when they realized how beautiful and peaceful it really is. You can really just step out of the busyness of your day, even for a few minutes, and just enjoy the nature, the beauty, the quiet. We have some animals, some fox families that reside in the grounds here as well. And I think it also opens it up to the community, the local community, and this provides them another avenue, and hopefully will expose the campus to a greater public eye.